Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay. He shot you? He shot. Okay. It's this back door? Where? Shut that door for me. This one right here? This one right here? The third one down this aisle right here. Roger. He's on parole?
I told him parole officer yesterday that he was actually...
Okay. All right. He did shoot at you though, correct? I'm gonna go with my partner.
What's that? Anthony, you gonna come out? Are you gonna come out? This is the police. We're just trying to help you. We don't want you to get hurt. You're gonna come out? All right, come out with your hands up. Hey, Brett. Brett, he's coming out. Yeah. All right, come out. Hey, Airship, this is X38. I just got the PR on the line, and we got the suspect on the line. He says he's gonna come out.
Roger. Yeah.
All right, Anthony, come out. Put your hands up, all right? Don't come out with the gun. Just come out with your hands up, okay? Everything's gonna be all right. We just want to help you. Are you coming out? Okay. What are you wearing? All right, come out with your hands up though, okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, come out. All right, hey. You guys got eyes? Coming out with his hands. Just him. The suspect's coming out. She will, but we want him out first. Anthony, coming out? What? Hey, Maria, is he coming out? Okay, come out. Is he coming out?
No, he's not. Okay.
Hey, Maria, put him on the phone again. Okay, Anthony, come out. Give me two here. Two on this side right here. Anthony, give me two coppers on this side. Two bodies.
Open the door. Yeah.
Two. Anthony, you coming out? Hey, Hernandez, see if you can get eyes through here. See if you can get eyes through here. Yeah. He's in the door faces north.
It's north?
Yeah, it faces north. It's going to be the third door. See if you go through here. Hey, Anthony. Yeah, Maria, is he coming out? He what? No, we can't come to the window because he's armed. What's that? I need him, look at, Anthony, I need you to step out with your hands up. Nothing's gonna happen to you, but we can't go in and talk to you if you have a weapon, okay? Hey, when he shot, did he shoot at you or at the door? At the door? He was pissed off? Huh? He shot?
Yeah, my daughter started.
What does he suffer from anything? Does he suffer from anything? Mental. Okay. Maria, what's up? Maria, you there?
Walking out to the front now, guys. In the front. The only time we're studying the camp right now. property to eat. Am I clear to do so? Negative. Stay where you're at. The suspect is crouching down right now. Male is static. Heads up, guys. He's coming out the back. Looks like crouching down. Yeah, he's got a gun in his hand, guys. He's got a gun in his hand on the west front of the house right now. He's walking towards the front of the house. He's got a female with him. He's walking out to the front now, guys.
Hey, I see movement. I see movement. He's down. He's down. He's down.
Airship, I'm moving through the alley to get to the property to the east. Am I clear to do so? Negative. Stay where you're at. The suspect is crouching down right now. Male is static. Heads up, guys. He's coming out the back. Looks like crouching down. Yeah, he's got a gun in his hand, guys. He's got a gun in his
Gun. Gun. I see him. I see him.
the front of the house right now. He's walking towards the front of the house.
I see him.
Female with him. He's walking out to the front now, guys. To the front.
Drop it.
He's got it. I'm moving through the alley to get to the property to the east. Am I clear to do so? Negative. Stay where you're at. The suspect is crouching down right now. Male is static. Heads up, guys. He's coming out the back. Looks like crouching down. Yeah, he's got a gun in his hand, guys. He's got a gun in his hand on the front of the house right now. He's walking towards the front of the house and he's got a female with him. He's walking out to the front now, guys. To the front.
Drop it. Movement.
He's down. He's down. No movement from the back.
I'm with you guys. I'm with you guys. I'm with you guys.
No movement.
Don't move, guys. Hold on.
Hey, make sure we keep somebody downrange.
Roger.
Downrange.
Roger. Roger.
Look downrange. We go up.
Roger.
Check it out. You're gonna come up, hold something up in the Corolla. Grab it. Hold it up. Hold it right. You guys take him into custody. You guys got that?
Roger.
Cover. The other two guys are covered down range.
Roger.
Okay? You guys ready?
Ready.
Stick. Everybody push up.
Yep.
Go. Woo.
And we'll take him into custody, all right? We'll still take him? Still take him into custody? Roger. We're gonna take him in.
Okay, but we're gonna keep this out. Okay, we need Chris. You too.
Yeah.
Come up and take him into custody.
Roger.
Keep
Roger. Roger.
Go.
Go. Let's go.
Hold there. Hold there.
I'm gonna flip him over. Flip him over this way.
Hey, I got my cuffs. Move him over. The gun's on my left foot, all right?
All right.
This gun's on my left foot. Look, here. I'm left up.